Ito ang mainit na balita at trending ngayon sa mundo ng social media. Senador Tulfo uminit sa galit kahit bilyonaryo hindi pinalagpas at abogado ipapakulong. Ano nga bang dahilan? Well, let's find out. Sa pagdinig ng Senado tungkol sa judicial decision in labor disputes, abay isang bilyonaryo inantok sa harap ni Senador Tulfo. Kaya naman,
There is no TRO.
Excuse me, Mr. Consunhi, please, huwag kayong matulog dito. Please, wala kami binibaby dito. Hindi porket bilyonaryo ka, tutulugan mo kami. Don't do that, pambabastos yan.
Hindi pa ako natutulog.
No, nakita kita, tutulog kayo. Huwag ka. Meron dito mga napin-empleyado na napakatagal na. Tapos ngayon tutulugan mo para kayong naging sarcastic dito. Huwag, bastusan yan. Huwag mo kami bastusin dito. You don't have the right. Kahit na bilyonaryo ka, hindi ka exempted. Okay? Magpakatino ka. Gumising ka, dilat mo mata mo. Go ahead, Attorney Maranan.
Thank you, sir. As,
Bigyan natin ng coffee. Comsec, bigyan natin ng coffee. Anong gusto niyo, black or cream? Okay, bigyan. Para magising to.
at isang abogado ipapakulong. Narito ang detalye.
NLRC, listen. Mag-issue kayo ng panibagong writ of execution emanating from the decision, latest decision of the Supreme Court, and then ihampas natin dito sa dalawang to. How's that? Para matapos na.
Sige po, dalhin ko po dun sa arbiter na nag-iisip.
Exactly. Gamitin nyo itong desisyon ng Supreme Court. Mag-issue kayo ng panibagong writ of execution kasi yung dating writ hindi lang ino-honor. Okay? Issue another writ. Naka-attach itong desisyon ng Supreme Court. Ibigay sa kanila. Now, pag nangyari yon, ano action nyo?
Sir, we will comply with it.
Good. Tapos ang boxing.
If I may, Mr. Senator. Ganito po, no? Ang nakakapagtaka lamang po, kasi po ang NLRC po,
Sir, excuse me. No, ayokong pahabain na to.
Sige po.
Yung kinakahon ko na nga sila eh. Ngayon binibigyan mo sila ng another exit reason na para pahabain pa to eh. Siyempre, magsasalita ka, meron silang pang-contract tuwing magsasalita ka, para wala silang masabi pa, sasabihin mo, yes, we will issue a writ of execution base dun sa desisyon ngayon ng Supreme Court at ibibigyan natin sa kanila at kasasabi lang niya, oo. Tapos.
Sige po.
Okay.
When can we expect you to issue the writ of execution?
Ang kaso po itong kasi ay nasa labor arbiter po. So, ipaparating ko po sa labor arbiter ang
Do you have a timetable for it?
pagkarating ko po ng opisina, sasabihan ko na po sa kanya kaagad.
Please inform this committee of
Sige po.
the course of action that you will take.
Sige po.
For the second time, Attorney Garcia, so once
Yes,
na
sir.
nakapag-issue na siya ng writ of execution na hinihiling nyo, then tutuparin nyo na
Yes, sir.
na yung pagka-cancel
Yes,
ng
Your
title. Okay, tapos na.
Sir.
O, dadugtungan mo pa, baka lalo tayo mapapahaba, Attorney Marana. Okay na.
ang, pwede, sir. Ang fear lang po namin, sir, is kung gumawa po ng alias writ or second writ of execution, baka naman ho, yun ang sasabihin nilang bago at iaakyat na naman ho kung saan-saan.
Okay.
Whereas po, as I understand yung sinabi po ni Attorney Garcia, ang kailangan nilang nila is the original writ, certified true copy,
Okay.
yung notice of judgment, at saka
Okay.
yung decision ng Supreme Court. Bukas na bukas,
that
so
will
pwede na
suffice?
namin yun po yung sinabi, as I understand, sir, what Attorney Garcia said, they need the original writ, the entry of judgment, which we have, and the decision of the Supreme Court, which we have. We can
Attorney
submit
Moranan, if I understand you correctly, there is no need for the NLRC to issue another second writ. Am I correct?
that. Yes, sir, because my worry, sir, our worry is, alam niyo man ho, ang problema ho, lawyers can be very creative eh. Baka ho yung second writ of execution,
Well, I understand,
ay
I
aakyat na
understand.
naman ho yan.
Yes.
Whereas, kung ang hinihingi lang naman ho is the writ mentioned here, the copy of the notice of judgment in this case, and the decision, we can give that tomorrow.
Attorney Elizalde, you were asking for a writ of execution that is based on the deliberations a while ago.
If I may, Your Honor, what we are asking
No,
for...
let me finish, Attorney.
Yes,
Nag-issue na ang NLRC ng unang writ of execution. Ang hinihingi mo, sinasabi mo kanina, kailangan ng writ of execution. Ang sinabi ni sabi mo from the Supreme Court. Sabi ni Attorney Moranan, hindi nag-i-issue ang Supreme Court ng writ of execution. Alright, am I correct?
That's correct, sir.
So, kailangan ang writ of execution manggagaling sa lower courts. Correct? Am I correct?
Yes, sir.
Now that NRC has already issued a writ of execution, wouldn't that suffice?
I
Hindi
wish...
pa ba, ano yan? Sufficiente yun?
I would wish that that were sufficient, Your Honor. But what we require is a writ of execution from the NLRC based on the decision of the Supreme Court.
Pero Mr. Chair, I see the point of Attorney Maranan here. The lawyers of DMCI can be very creative na kapag nangyari yung questionin nila yung bagong rate, hanapan nila ng butas, iakit nila ngayon sa korte na naman, hahaba na naman yung proseso. So therefore, yung na-issue na original na rate, dapat i-honor nyo kasi yung original rate of execution that was issued by the NLRC, when was that, sir?
Ang alam ko po as early as 2006 meron.
2006. Yun yung kasi pinaglalabanan. Umakit hanggang sa Supreme Court. So dapat i-honor yung writ na yun that was originally issued na kung saan nagbigay ng desisyon ng Supreme Court now.
That would be, again, Your Honor, that would be against our processes.
What do you mean against the processes?
We require the writ based on the final decision of the Supreme Court. That will be...
Kaya nga final decision. The Supreme Court came up with a final decision from the writ that was issued back in 2000.
I cannot change the procedure, Your Honor. What we require is a second writ based on the decision of the
Ang
Supreme Court.
problema nga na intindihan ko concern ni Attorney Maranan, gagawa to ng mga legal maneuver na para mapapatagal na naman tayo, magpapile na naman sila ng mga kung ano ng MR sa korte questioning that second writ.
Your Honor, because there was a case filed and this went all the way to the Supreme Court, so what we are talking about is a second writ. Otherwise, we would become liable ourselves.
Attorney, listen. Yung original writ of execution that was issued back in 2000, yun yung pinaglalabanan, yun yung kinukontest nga nila. Tama? Hanggang sa umakyat sa Supreme Court. Ngayon, sabi ng Supreme Court, tama yung writ na in-issue noong 2000. So, bakit pa mag-issue ng panibagong writ na naman? Nabibigyan niyo ng pagkakataon itong DMCI na gumawa ng legal maneuver na para mapatagal na naman yung kaso.
Sir, but the question there which went to the Supreme Court was not the lawfulness of the writ, but the decision of the NLRC. That is why we require...
Kaya nga, yung NLRC issued already a writ. Go ahead po, Commissioner Nick.
I was about to state po kanina, Mr. Senator, Sir Chair, na ang NLRC po kasi, kahit po naiakyat sa Court of Appeals ang kaso, nag-i-issue po after 30 days paglabas ng entry of judgment ng commission ng writ of execution. Opo. Kung wala pong PRO, restraining order, or preliminary injunction, or much more permanent injunction, continuing po yung writ of execution na yun. Ang hindi po namin maintindihan, bakit in the meantime, hindi po ginawa ang pag-execute ng writ of execution na yun na nagsasabi na i-cancel na yung titulo at ilipat na po rin sa pangalan ng mga nagwagi na mga manggagawa.
Okay, maliwanag na sinabi ni Commissioner Nick daw. Why did you not implement the first writ of execution issued by NLRC?
At saka ang tanong, meron bang TRO? Doon sa writ.
There was no temporary restraining order.
Sige, magturuan kayo.
Your Honor, what went up to us was called a consulta as to the registrability of the decision of the NLRC. In consulta number 5208, we agreed with the NLRC that their order is registrable. Hindi ho kami kumontra.
Attorney Elizalde,
Yes, sir.
huwag kang lumayo. Ang pinag-uusapan natin dito ay yung writ of execution that was issued by NLRC para makancel na po yung title. Ang sinasabi nyo, mag-issue ka ng panibagong rate, disregarding the previous rate, para gagawin nyo na yung tama, para makancel na nga yung title. Ang sinasabi ni Attorney Maranan, binibigyan nyo lang ng pagkakataon, itong DMCI, binibigyan nyo sila ng leeway na para makapag-file ng kung ano ng motion, mapatagal yung kaso. So, meron ng rate na na-issue ang NLRC at hindi question yung writ na yon, hindi nag-TRO, nag-file ng TRO. So, lumabas yung desisyon ng Supreme Court patungkol doon sa desisyon ng paglabas ng rate. Then, why do you need another second rate?
Your Honor, because...
Sabi mo, meron kayong policy.
Yes, sir.
Show us that policy. Nasaan? Show us.
Nasa procedures ho na...
No, kaya show us that procedure in black and white na nagsasabi na kailangan merong second rate. Show us.
I do not have one with me.
No. No, kung wala ka may pakita, then you're lying to me and I'll hold you in contempt. You're lying. Gusto mo makulong?
Your Honor, I-
No, sabi mo, huli ka na eh. Sabi mo, that's not part of your procedure. Kailangan mag-issue ng second writ because that's part of your procedure. Where is that procedure? Where does it say doon sa procedure ninyo sa LRA na gano'n nga dapat ang sistema? Show me. Pag wala ka na ipakita, nagsisinungaling ka, pakukulong kita sa baba.
I do not have a copy, Your Honor.
Why?
I did not bring any.
Then call it. Call somebody. Call them. Right now. I'll give you 15 minutes. Make a phone call.
I'll check, Your Honor. Thank you.
Call. Sige. Nasaan yung procedure na yun? Kasi pag may nakapakita ka doon ng black and white, then it's a different story. Pag wala ka may ipakita, pakukulong kita sa baba. Sige. Call them.
Alright, while waiting for the...
Mr. Chair, dapat yung eksakto na kasabi na kailangan may second writ. Kasi Mr. Chair, nakikita ko, pati itong LRA, pinaikot-ikot tayo. Yung kagalingan nitong LRA sa pag-ikot-ikot at kagalingan nitong DMC sa pag-ikot-ikot, pinagsama mo ang dalawa, bingo. Talagang wala tayong patutungan dito. Pag in-entertain natin yung kanilang kabalastugan. No, I'm not gonna accept it.
did you get the records ready?
Your Honor, I'm having someone look through the records now.
Excuse me?
Pinapahanap ko po, sir.
How long would it take? Kayo pa ba'y manual o computerized? Dapat isang pindot sa computer, hanapin nyo, search, nandiyan agad.
Manual po yung...
Oso ko manual, abutin tayo dito ng siyam-siyam. Gusto mo i-suspend natin para pagbalik para sa next hearing, meron ka na nun.
I fervently apologize that we are still looking.
Kaya nga, kung halimbawa, sasabihin mo hindi mahanap-hanap dahil manual pala kayo at kung saan nakalagay na yung dokumentong yon, saan nakabaon, so sa susunod na hearing, may dala ka na.
Yes, Your Honor, we'll do that.